Can you please tell me, how are you feeling now? The Indian Army has launched a full offensive against Pakistan after it was striking the civilians, including the people in Jammu and Kashmir and the villagers out here.
We are at ground zero right now. You are right now in the border area where shelling has been taking place from past many days. Shown by the local media that the people are panic. So for me, the people are not panic. Actually, we do have a strong belief over the Indian army, over the army which has been deployed at border areas. Yesterday, you might have heard the LG, esteemed worthy LG of our J&K, LG Manoj Sinha Saab had visited this Uri affected areas where this shelling has been taking place from past few days. He was just doing an interaction with our armored forces. And the armored force clearly replied that our morale and our josh is high. Same is the situation of we general masses. We are totally not feared. We are not feared of that very nation who is been just targeting innocent people of our this state. A lot of people have been evacuated from here. A lot of houses, dozens of houses have been destroyed by that very nation. And he took the political setup of India. Our J&K state was indeed moving towards the peace and prosperity. You see hundreds and millions of tourists have been visiting Jammu and Kashmir, which has definitely, of course, which has...
That peace and stability that was coming to the valley, I think that has agitated Pakistan most. We have more people out here. We'll try and talk to you. आप लोग बताइएगा कि यहाँ पर आप लोगों को अब पता होगा कि पाकिस्तान की तरफ से सिविलियन को निशाना बनाया जा रहा है. जो यहाँ के लोग हैं वो कितने मजबूती के साथ इस पूरी सिचुएशन में खड़े हुए हैं, कितने ब्रेव बहादुर हैं. आपसे एक बार और जानना चाहूंगी, व्हाट डू यू थिंक दैट पीपल आउट हियर, द मासेस आउट हियर आर फीलिंग and how they will be standing strong with the armed forces, because we've been seeing that the explosions that keep on happening every night, there are sleepless nights for people, but still we are finding them quite brave and courageous.
Right, as you already told that there has been sleepless past few nights, but people are not so panicked because they do have a strong belief over the Indian army, and they are well aware that our Indian army is having they don't lose, they don't have a single deficiency which can cause harm for we general masses. So we are proud of our Indian army, and we are proud of our central government, and we are proud of especially our esteemed PM Shri Narendra.
So if I ask you, how's the Josh?
Josh is high, too high.
So Josh is high, the spirits are high. The courageous people of Jammu and Kashmir, they are standing by their army. They have full faith and they know what Pakistan has been doing, attacking the innocent civilians in Jammu and Kashmir and across the western border. This is Shivani Sharma with camera person Nasir Aziz Khan for India Today from Uri sector.